In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts on HubSpot CRM for the year 2023 so you can easily manage and utilize your contact lists more effectively. Now, if you're someone who's been using HubSpot for managing your business or marketing efforts, you know how powerful a tool it can be. Exporting your contacts can help you create backups, segment your audience further, or even migrate data to another platform if need be. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the HubSpot homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the HubSpot URL or search HubSpot if you're not sure of the link. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a login button towards the top right of the screen. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials if you're not already signed in. After logging in, you will find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is where you'll access all the different features and tools under HubSpot's umbrella. The next step is to click on CRM. This will lead you to the Customer Relationship Management section, which is essentially the hub for all your contact and company information. From the CRM page, the next step is to click on Lists. Lists are where you can organize your contacts by different criteria or segments based on what works best for you or your business needs. Once you're in the Lists tab, you'll see a collection of lists that you've previously created or used. Select the list that you want to export. To do this, simply click on the list name and it should open a more detailed view of your contacts within that list. Now pay close attention because this is where you'll actually start the exporting process. With the list open, look towards the top section of your screen for the Actions button. This is typically represented with a drop-down arrow, and when you click it, you'll see several options. Among these options, you're looking for Export Lists. Once you select Export Lists, you may need to choose the file format you prefer, like CSV, which is commonly used for spreadsheets and databases. After you make your selection, confirm the export by clicking on Export. HubSpot will then begin compiling the contacts in your chosen list and prepare them for download. When the export process is complete, HubSpot will notify you, often by email with a download link, or it might be available directly in your HubSpot account under Export Downloads. You can open the file, check your data, and ensure it's all there as expected, and there you have it, you've successfully exported your HubSpot contacts. This process is straightforward once you know where to go and what options to select. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this.